Colorado last night, hostel. 20 people in my room, 10 o'clock at night, lights out. This guy has rolled into his bed next to mine. He looks like Hagrid, only shorter, the character from Harry Potter. Just seconds into lights out, he rolls over, and this is what starts. So it's 10 o'clock at night, there's 20 people in the room. There's one guy sleeping, and 19 people who are definitely not sleeping. So eventually, I'm just looking at the ceiling, and I'm thinking, I might as well record this. Surely there's something I can do with this soundtrack at some point. 2:45 in the morning, the first resident of the hostel decides I've had enough. She loads up her pack out. 15 minutes later, a woman walks to the door with her phone in her hand, and she's saying, loud enough to be heard, "I am going to kill you." And then she walks out the door. Not a very pilgrim-like attitude either. And I'm laying there, and this is going on and on and on, really till 6 in the morning when lights are on and people are up. And Hagrid's over there doing his thing, and he's sleeping just like a baby. And I'm thinking, Hagrid is made in the image of God. And he snores. That's just what he does. And everybody's made in the image of God. I can deal with this.